I don't know. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, right now I'm kind of tan.
She's Colombian. I'm Mexican. We're both Latinas. Monica, thank you so much.
I have a special guest model, actually. 2 special guest models. Happy? See, now I do it one time and now it just won't stop. You know? An on-command burp. I've been drinking Sprite. So they're not gonna be on command anymore. My on-command ones are like weak. Are you happy, Faran? Everybody? Are you guys happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Where the girlies at? Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna burp. No, that was me. This is a Nissan GTR. That's why it's so cute. Girl.
Are we gonna do it one more time?
Girlfriend.
One more time, girls. One more time.
Oh. Right, challenge in the car. Oh. You're welcome. You remember what I'm talking about? Mm-hmm. You hear me? Oh, say, can you sing? Are you gonna post more on Instagram now, Gigi? Are you gonna post more on Instagram now? Maybe just be nice. Exactly. My head hurts so bad. Maybe just be nice. Exactly. My head hurts so bad. There it is. That one wanted to come out. Thank you. Woo woo. Ooh. That was good. No, it looks good. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it looks